3D DNN network model by Pradeep K. Suri. To explain the DNN network cube for AI modeling based on the animation video, animationcube.mp4, we will interpret it as a 3D conceptual model that illustrates how data flows through a deep neural network in a multi-dimensional space, akin to a cube structure. Brain DNN network cube, conceptual explanation. Black square button 1. Cube as a 3D neural architecture. The cube symbolizes multiple layers of computation across 3 dimensions. X-axis, layer progression, input rightward arrow hidden rightward arrow output. Y-axis, neurons within each layer. Z-axis, additional dimensions like time, feature grouping, or parallel models. Counterclockwise arrows button 2. Flow of data, inside the cube. Inputs, like vision, sound, touch, etc., enter from one face of the cube. These inputs propagate through hidden layers inside the cube, where each layer represents a level of abstraction, low rightward arrow high. Edges between neurons depict weighted connections. The output emerges from the opposite face with actions like speak, move, react, etc. DNA symbolic interpretations. Cube side symbolizes details. Front face input layer sensory input, vision, sound, etc. Interior hidden layers, H1 to H4, transformation of features, activation functions. Backface output layer decision, action, response. Edges connections weights and biases influencing learning. Rotation dynamic model evolution learning across epochs, perspective change. Brain educational/AI modeling use. Use case explanation. AI teaching tool shows 3D structure to students, aiding DNN conceptual clarity. Network debugging helps visualize neuron connections and cluster effects. Model optimization could simulate neuron pruning, dropout, or layer tuning. Boardroom explanation offers executive-friendly 3D metaphor of AI decision-making. Pushpin narrated summary for boardroom, voice-over style. Imagine the brain as a cube. On one side, our senses feed in data vision, sound, touch. Deep inside, a layered engine processes this data, each neuron evaluating patterns, forming decisions. The output side produces results, speech, action, reaction. This cube isn't static, it learns, evolves, and adapts just like our human mind. Welcome to General Fusion, a DNN cube built like the human brain. Bar chart possible extensions. Package add modular subcubes for parallel learning, multi-model fusion. Cyclone animate data particles flowing layer to show real-time inference. Label overlay math equations, example sigma, wx plus b, real u, softmax, add layers. Thanks for watching.